In this video, we'll be looking at getting Kognitio connected to Power BI. This connector is still in beta, and any feedback is appreciated as we work to get it bundled with the Power BI installation. Also, this guide will be done in Windows 10, but any other version of Windows supported by Power BI should be the same. You will need to have a system with Kognitio running on it. If you don't have this set up, you can download the software and find out how to install it at kognitio.com/getting-started. Assuming you have a system with Kognitio running, you will then need three things for this Power BI setup. Kognitio command line tools installed, which is part of the Kognitio console setup. You can find this at kognitio.com/all-downloads. The Power BI installation file, which you can find at powerbi.microsoft.com, and lastly, the Kognitio Power BI connector, which you can also find at kognitio.com/all-downloads. Let's begin by installing Power BI Desktop using the default directories. After the installation is completed, make sure the Launch Microsoft Power BI Desktop tick box is unchecked, and then click Finish. Now we need to place the connector in the correct place. Start off by copying the connector and navigating to the Documents folder. Here, if there isn't a folder called Microsoft Power BI Desktop, and another inside that called Custom Connectors, then create them. Place the connector in here. Now close the window and launch Power BI. We'll need to enable the Custom Connectors feature to see the Kognitio connector in the list. Start by closing the startup prompt. Then going to the File menu in the top left. Then Options and Settings, Options, and then navigate to the Preview features. Here we want to check the Custom Connectors tick box. It's also worth enabling tracing to get more information when problems arise in the Diagnostics menu. Then click OK. It will prompt you to restart Power BI, which you can click OK and proceed to do. And the connector has been enabled. To check that everything is working, let's create a simple visual. Start by clicking on Get Data in the Startup menu. And a list of connectors will appear. Scroll down until you find the Kognitio connector labeled CogSQL. Select it and click Connect. A pop-up will appear asking for host details. Put your Kognitio system IP address or a DSN name in the host box, and then click Direct Query in the Data Connectivity mode. Now put in your login credentials and click Connect. After a few seconds, a tree of system schemas will appear. We're going to select a view that's already in memory and create a bar graph. So let's go to the TBCDS schema, and we're going to look for the store sales. Check that box. It'll show you a preview, and we'll click Load. After a few seconds, on the right you'll see all the columns in that view appear. We're going to add one of those columns just by checking it. And in a few seconds, the bar chart has appeared, showing us the SSNet paid, and that confirms that the connector is working. If you'd like to provide any feedback or are having any difficulties with this setup, please contact us via cognitio.com or tweet us at Kognitio.